We'll guide you through how to make animation in Blender using the most current methods and UI elements available in 2025 and 2026. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open Blender on your desktop. Once you're in, start by creating a new project. You'll see a default cube in the center of your screen. You can use this or add any other object you want to animate by going to the ADD menu at the top and selecting Mesh, then choosing the type of object. Now, let's switch to the animation workspace by clicking on the Animation tab at the top. You'll notice the timeline at the bottom of the screen. This is where you'll create keyframes to animate your object. Select your object and make sure you're on frame 1 of the timeline. Press the I key to insert a keyframe. Choose the type of keyframe you want, like location, rotation, or scale, depending on what you want to animate. Move to a different frame in the timeline, change the position, rotation, or scale of your object, and press I again to insert another keyframe. Blender will automatically create the animation between these keyframes. You can preview your animation by pressing the spacebar. If you need to adjust the timing or spacing of your keyframes, simply drag them along the timeline. To make your animation smoother, you can go to the graph editor on the bottom left, which allows you to adjust the interpolation of the keyframes. Once you're happy with your animation, it's time to render it. Go to the Output Properties tab on the right side, set your output format, and make sure to choose a location to save your file. Finally, go to the Render menu at the top and select Render Animation. Blender will process your frames and save them as a video file. Congratulations, you've just created your own animation in Blender. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.